You are watching the 3V Fox River. I hope you can see the bevel transition here. And please look at this edge line, shining portion. It has a micro bevel. Now disappeared. Please remember this angle. This angle. This view is taken from another side. This angle. This A2 Fox River doesn't have a bevel transition and edge line. Just a moment. Please look at the edge line. Disappeared at this angle. This angle difference, I hope you can see it from the side view. Anyway, I'll give you the microscopic image of this micro bevel. Yes, this is the final angle. Correct. You're watching the A2 factory edge. Nicely done. Here is 0 grad. Convex edge. Okay. 3V. Looks like a 0 grind edge, but please look at the light reflection. Large angled micro bevel is blended very well. Please look at this lighting line. Moving, wise change. This is 3V. Okay, let's get back to A2. This is A2. Pretty continuous. This is the keenest edge, A2 edge. Very different than 3V. 3V again. Narrowing. The lighting line is narrowing. Widening. Very different. It means this has a micro bevel. Blended. This is Naniwa flattening stone, large size. I started this job yesterday, last night. I did 30 minutes. But now, still concave from this line to this line. This portion and this portion flat. Maybe over half was done. Center is concave. Please compare to the original thickness. Pretty thinner. much thinner than this one. But recently I need precise sharpening angle changing. So now shallow angle convex edge is my edge. So flat surface is better. So I need a flat surface on this 400 Chaucer stone. Maybe it will take 30 more minutes. This is made by Naniwa. Maybe metal powder entirely for stone flattening. This powder doesn't work on this downside stone, downside flattening stone. This powder soon disappears in there, but it remains on the water stone, small sanding stone, flattening stone. This stone is much cheaper than this one, so maybe this will be a better way because sanding particles is remaining here. Let's see. The flat and concave borderline is vague, not clear now, because this small stone may be like this, going on the concave. So this large concave, this small stone is not very nice. It will not make a complete flat surface on it. Maybe large stone is needed. Now finished. Eventually, this pair is faster than this coarse and large stone. Before we need to this large stone, we should do this sanding more frequently until it goes. Not until. Before it goes this concave, we should do this small sanding, light sanding frequently. Anyway, finished. Completely flat. Yes. Not yet. Complete flat sanding. This moves a bit rolling. So this pair is faster, but finally this wide stone is needed to get the complete flat surface on this stone. Okay. All stones are prepared. Sharpton 2000 and Anagra stone. Chaucer 800 stone. Chaucer 400 stone. Flat surface and low height. And Sharpton not so concave, 120 grit. This is a very nice stone for this job. For the initial regrinding of the main bevel, bevel fatness. Yes, this portion, swelling portion. In the middle angle, not spine angle, not edge angle, middle angle. Look at this. I think it is okay. Right angle. Just right. Mid section is ground off. Okay. This coarse 120 grit stone job is the main bevel sanding. Only for the main bevel and the very edge line is left for the next stone, 400 grit Chaucer. If I did it to the edge on this coarse stone, this edge will take much coarse micro serrations, damage the edge. To restore its damage, it will reduce the edge line back or such. Too much, grinding too much. So to the edge on this coarse stone is no good. We should go to the next stone, 400 grit. For the edge reprofiling. This 3V is pretty hard steel. On this 400 Chaucer stone, it took me already 30 minutes, full 30 minutes, only for reducing the shoulder of the micro bevel. This, please look at this convex curvature, convex beveling, like this shallowness. My finger is bleeding because of this backside sharpening rubbed on the stone. Coarse stone makes this bleeding always. My middle finger is high on the blade, and these two fingers low in the blade. So, rubbing this stone, it's always taking place, no problem. Like this. This shallow angle. Finished. Now, basic beveling finished. No shiny line on the edge. I'll show you this edge condition, micro serrations through the microscope. This magnification is very high, 200. You can see severe micro serrations. I will remove these micro serrations using sharpening 800 stone and finishing 2000 stone, a bit higher angle. As you can see it's a bit higher. Okay, let's go to the microscope. This is 800 grit finished edge at a bit higher angle. Micro serrations are reduced. Kind of slippery feel, I feel like. Maybe Chosera 2000 is better. Anyway, I don't have it now. Maybe no problem. Oh, reach about 10 minutes. Simply going down, just sliding on the stone. I think nothing at all. Just my hands are moving. A bit higher angle, like this. This side, you can see it. A bit higher angle. Making the edge. Finishing the edge. from low, floating, edge is floating, polishing the bevel, and now polishing the edge. This will be enough. Next, I go to stropping. So this finish will be enough. Anyway, let's go to the microscope and then go to stropping. Grit finished edge. It is ready to go to stropping. No problem at all. Today, I enjoyed this edge making all day long. Today, I shaped this face. It's a great stag. Moon shape, round. Flat, completely flat. Hand on the nail, on the plate, on the wall. It's a great trophy. Anyway, this knife, I already confirmed, whiskey fire handle, 3V Fox River, did 3D completely, and no troubles, and easy to restore. This handle, very, very comfortable and warm in winter. Full size handle. Beautiful edge. I think this black and white ebony CPM 3V Fox River is the best hunting knife in my life. In the world, I don't know, but in my life, for sure. I don't need any more knives Bag River would handle collector, so if they issue a beautiful wood handle, I will get it. But for performance, I won't need any more knives than this 3V Fox River knife. This is the best knife for me. Thanks for watching. At last, I'll show you this microscopic view on it. Bye bye. CPM steels always look like this. The very edge line looks like micro serrations, different from A2 homogeneous steel, but it's no problem. This is the sharp 3V edge.